Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and yeah, I'm posted up in the bathroom for this intro because today my room's over there and I'm showing you all my room tour. I updated a lot of stuff. I just added some new stuff today, literally just finished it, and I also have some stuff coming in tomorrow that's going to be like added to my room and all my walls, which I'll explain that and like go into detail in this video talking about that kind of stuff. But I'm pretty excited to show you all this because I got some new stuff and we're about to roll to it. Like I got some I know y'all know what LED lights are, but I've set them up kind of interesting, so you guys are going to see those, and I think that'll be cool for this video. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more room tour videos or just like room accessory videos, just anything like that, go ahead, drop a like in this video and let me know that, and also subscribe below. We just hit 24.2K, so thank you all. I appreciate that a lot. And you also follow me on both my Instagrams, Tristan.Wick and CLT Steals, down below in the description if you want. That'll be there, and yeah, I definitely appreciate that for sure if you guys would do that. So I'm gonna get straight into this video. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Comment what you guys think about my room, any improvements, suggestions, go ahead. And yeah, some of the stuff's not complete. That's why the title says almost done and like in progress kind of thing. So yeah, hope you all enjoy. Let's get started. I look kind of red right now, like random, but I don't know why. Okay, so I'm not gonna do like any crazy intro cinematic stuff. Oh, I'm not really gonna do that. I'm just gonna sort of show you all this, sort of like a vlog, I guess. But really, here are the LED lights. So I have them set on blue right now, but they basically go all up around my wall. That's how I did them right there. And then I also set them up back behind my bed. Here's my bed, what's up? And I just go around under here, and then they go up this door and they stop. But I'm ordering more because I'm gonna get them to then go around my door and around that one. I don't know, that's sort of my idea. That's what I'm thinking. So we're gonna have more LED lights going right here and here in the future. Now basically it doesn't stop there, because I am gonna put more here, but I also put them under my desk right here, as you can see. So it just gets sort of like the blue glow. You guys can sort of see them right there, but yeah, that's sort of just like the blue I have it set on right now. Obviously I can change the color, and like I have the control box. Here's the thing. So like here, I'm gonna change the color right now using this on this one. So if I'm gonna change it to red, there you go, we got red. Change it to green, blue, and then that's like a white light. But I prefer the blue, or that was green, but there, I prefer blue. It just looks nicer, and I have it like up there too. So like I can change this one right here. If I go behind my bed, that's where I put the control box for this one, so I can change it all to red. If I just press back there, come on. So boom, red. Now they're all changed to red. I have different colors, you can see here. Green, blue, yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on blue. But there's the other one I have, and the lights I've added, gonna get more. I think that one's gonna look pretty nice. That's like the first new feature I wanna show you all about my room, the first thing I've updated. So we got some new lights. Obviously got the studio lights showing my face here. How we doing, everybody? But yeah, so we got them under my desk. I need to change those to blue too, so those are blue again. But the next part I wanna show you all is my closet. I've changed a lot about my closet. So here's like the first part about my closet that's changed. I've moved, there was this old shelf that had my pants and stuff hanging right here, and I also changed up my desk right there too. So the first thing was that, but then the first thing about my closet, look, we got all my pants and shorts and all that up here. We got like a cap there, polo one. I was wearing this yesterday. And we got all my jackets and then some of my tees, some of them in the washing tub. We got some empty hangers, some are on me also, of course. Gonna be wearing a shirt for this video. But not staying off topic, that's just like another thing I added right there. So we got like all my pants and shorts up here in my closet. I don't know, I just like how they're organized up here, and I can just sort of see them and easily pick them out in the morning. They're right by my jackets and tees, so like just making outfits easier, and also like decluttering my room, because like where I had, I'll be honest with y'all, where I had this shelf, it was just in the way. There was dust and stuff. It just didn't look good, and there was clothes that I didn't like on it. And I also found a tee that I wasn't planning on selling, and I thought I'd lost it, but I did find it. That was on that shelf. So I have this one, but the FTP tee, that one's for sale, and then this one will be up for sale too. This is Supreme tee, has a hole in it though, so that sucks. I hate that tee actually has a hole in it, because I remember selling it and had to refund the guy, and I lost money on it, which kind of sucked that it got damaged in shipping. So shout out USPS. But here's my whole closet too. I'll just give you a whole closet area too. I'm not really going to go over and reveal any of the items, but there's my closet, jackets and all that. Nothing too crazy yet, but I think we got a lot of pants and stuff and a lot of tees, so that's the good part. My favorite part about my closet, we got a decent variety of stuff, And then next step, obviously we got my safe, planning to get rid of this old dresser sooner or later. It's gonna come. I'm waiting on it. Its days are numbered. And next up, of course, here we'll go over some details. So here's the desk. So we got like the blue light, coming off the Mac, and then we just got the blue light here. So that's a nice setup. Then we got our Travis Scott Reese's Puff. These are empty boxes. These are the ones I use for the video of just like, the box is still actually valuable. So we got the empty cereal boxes right there. But these ones, we got cereal in them. And I don't know, I just posted these up in front of the shoes right here, because why not? And also right by the Supreme exercise mat, which takes up this wall. We got the other walls are going to be covered soon. I'm going to get into what I'm planning to put there also, but like this is Seeker I'm just displaying right now, but I'm planning to sell this one tonight too. This is still what the KDs. You can see they got dirt on them, but they're going to be clean. These shoes are kind of crazy. Like, just look at them. A a lot of energy on them, and like they're both different, as you can tell. Like, look at both these. Both ones are different. Like, I kind of like it. We got the LV belt, Gucci belt. Just, you see the whole setup right here. See the whole plan. And yeah, I like this part a lot, where I'm just like setting up like my whole stuff right here by the mat. This is mostly like just my friend stuff, and this stuff just needs to go. I don't know why it's here, especially my school backpack. You need to go. Leave. I don't really be messing with school like that, but hey, school's important, so go to it, of course. Then next up, I decided to move this here, because why not? Supreme sled. We're gonna have snowing soon, all that. So we got this right here right now, Supreme sled. I messed with it. Ooh, thumbnail. All right, yeah, so that's another part, just the sled. Then also up here we got the shelf. All right, added the Neiman bag right there, because why not? Sure. Slight flex, yeah. But then all the other stuff still up there, like we got the Balenciaga, accessories, Supreme bottle, all that right there. And, you know, now we got the LED lights, you know, kind of just makes them look a little brighter, you know. And yeah, there's some of the accessories, like my destroyed AirPods, yeah, I like that. And different things I've just sort of like made, and accessories I've gotten, Little Baby's album. So you see I have a fair amount of variety there. Just interesting things that I've placed. And then we also got the monitor. Y'all know about this one. I decided to re-add this here. So we got the monitor, Mac. This isn't even the desk I do the most work on. This is like just schoolwork and things like that. Like I have a college essay right here. Like this is just like different stuff that I have that I like work on for like college and stuff. But most of my work that is outside of school I actually do on that desk back there, which we're gonna go to in a sec. I do most of my work there for like shipping orders and stuff, which I have a couple I still need to ship. I've just been getting lazy on it. It's 4:30 right now though on Sunday, so I got a little time. I'm just gonna make this video first, you know. But I don't want to keep getting off topic, or, you know, just, I don't know. I think I'm on topic in this room tour, but sort of like another important part of my room is this desk. So we got the Gucci bag right here, Palace bag right there. Basically just different tees and stuff that I have that I'm shipping off. Obviously this letter's gonna be shipped off, package. I got 2 tees, I think. Yeah, 2 tees I need to ship, or no, just one, a wallet. Like different things I need to ship here, which are all gonna be shipped off. You know, we got our stamps right here. Shout out to the frog stamps, these are goated. You know, just all nice. You know, FTP tee, Vampirella tee. This one has a hole in it, which sucks. I can't remember the hole is, but it's on this tee. So now I have to sell this for super cheap, and I'm gonna lose money on it for sure, but it's from a while ago, so it's fine. And yeah, here's another thing, the YouTube subscriber clock. You can see 24.2K. We just hit that today, so shout out everybody for showing love. I appreciate you all. And another very important part would be all my sneakers down here. Are not all of them. You saw I had other ones in the closet. These are just my favorites to wear. So I had like 8 little boxes right here from IKEA, I think. Put all my sneakers in. Kiss Lights, Tokyo Revenge Storms, Gucci Ace slip-ons, or not Gucci Ace slip-on, just Gucci Yankee slip-on, Nike Cortez, New Balances, some Nike Street sneakers I don't know, some Jordan 1 Sports Illustrated, and then some Diadora shoes. Here's the name of the Diadora shoes, since some people are asking me, the Titan Speckled. Yeah, the Gucci belt, the Murakami belt, what the KDs. Like, there's just some stuff we have with the cereals too. I mean, because hey, everybody a huge fan of Trav nowadays. There we go. I mean, people are going crazy over this man Travis stuff. So I mean, I was like, why not just flex a cereal? I mean, we got like 15 boxes in my room, I think. So doing nice. There's some of them. There's some of them back there. And you know, that's just some other features of my room that I really like. And another one that really tops it off is the Supreme Abstract Towel. I really like this one. Just, I like the location, how it looks. I mean, I thought it was not going to look great, but like I tried it and it looks amazing in my opinion. I really like how this looks. So I'm very happy to have this also, and I'm very happy to have everything in my room. And of course, you know, we got the Supreme sticker on all the doors. One there, one there, one there. I mean, we just have them on all the doors, and even on the outside of this one here. Look, right there, another Supreme sticker. That is a more valuable Supreme sticker than those ones. But yeah, that's like all the features of my room really that I needed to go over to give you guys a good room tour. But this wall is gonna have a Supreme bling towel on it. I copped a Supreme bling towel. I got it for steel. Don't even know how I did it, but putting it on this wall. So this wall is going to have another Supreme towel on it. So we're gonna have one there, and then one going across here, and then this wall I'm trying to add something up there eventually, and then this wall, you know, we may have something here. I don't know if it's completely necessary since this area is already kind of covered, I guess. But that's sort of where my future plans. You guys are gonna see those, of course, when I update it, because I want to share everything with you guys because you're part of my channel. You watching, I love that and appreciate you all. But yeah, that's your boy's room tour right here. We got LED lights now. We're going to get more of them, so everything looks a bit nicer, get some more lighting. Just, you know, we're going to add them up there and have them go around this door fully, because you can see it's not going around fully, so we're going to make sure we're doing that and get that completed, and, you know, maybe finish them up around under this desk too. But I like how this looks. It looks good, you know? So very happy with that. But that's my room tour 2019 updated. Almost done. Very close to being done. We're getting there. And yeah, I'm Tristan. Thanks for watching, guys. Anyways, though, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If y'all want more like this, don't forget, go follow me down below in the description. And when you're down there, it's right by the subscribe and like button. So just do all that for me if y'all want to. I'd appreciate it for sure. And especially dropping a like lets me know if y'all want more videos like this. I try and repeat that every video because it really does. Like when I see a video gets more likes than a certain one, I try and do more stuff revolving around that video because it's what you guys seem to like more. So do that if you want more videos like this for sure. I got you all. And also subscribe if you're down there. Again, it's right there. So, you know, that'd be dope. I'm not going to say too much more other than I'm Tristan. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll keep updating you guys in the room. I'll probably have another one of these videos sooner or later. I just have to get more stuff on my walls and no more LED lights. We got to finish that whole process, of course. Process. I don't know how I messed that word up, but I'm delaying my outro, so I'm not going to say more other than I'm Tristan. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.